Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an easy to color smoky eye right there. I wanted to do something simple but still beautiful, something that anyone can really do. You know, it doesn't take too much. It looks like it did, but it doesn't. So to see how I did this look, keep watching. Okay, for this tutorial I use Juvia's Place Douce palette and the usual Maybelline concealer that I like to use, L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara, and Black Radiance Fine Line liquid eyeliner. Here are the brushes I use listed out. Okay, let's begin. Grabbing the concealer, we're applying it all over that eyelid, and then we are going to pat it down. Okay, next, grabbing the palette and starting with a large rounded shading brush, we're going into Berry Mousse, which is a very nice matte beige tone, and this will be our foundation eyeshadow or base eyeshadow or transition eyeshadow. I don't know what they call it. Anyway, now taking a pencil brush, we are going into Custard, which is a really beautiful violet color, and we're applying it on the crease, and we are going to smoke it out. Next, with a blending brush, we're going to blend out that beautiful violet color. Okay, now taking another rounded shading brush, we're going into Chocolate, which is a matte dark brown, and we're patting this on the eyelid below Custard. Now with the blending brush, we're going to blend this together. Back into Custard, but with the blending brush, just grabbing a little bit and intensifying that color. Okay, back to the original shading brush, and we're going back into Berry Mousse, and this will be applied on the brow bone, and we are also going to blend it with Custard. Okay, taking an angled eyeliner brush, we're going into Chocolate, and we're going to line underneath the eye. Okay, now grabbing our eyeliner, and I wanted to do a very, very thin line, and this eyeliner is perfect for super thin eyeliner looks. Okay, now with the mascara, grabbing the mascara, I coated the top and bottom lashes really well. Putting that away, and the look is finished. Okay, that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Try it out. Try any combination of colors that you want to try. You can try this beautiful, almost lilac. I don't know what to call this color. It's kind of confusing me. It's from the Juvia's Place, the Douce palette. like I showed in the video. It's really, really beautiful, but this color called Custard. It's like a violet, right? It looks violet on the camera. And then Chocolate, which is a very chocolatey brown. But I mean, you can do brown and like a pink, do brown and a blue if you want, whatever you want. Black and blue, ooh, yeah, edgy. All right, don't forget to give my video the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already part of the Makeup Artist Me makeup lovers. And until next time, rock on. But it doesn't, so to keep watching, keep your eyes open. To know, no, not to know. To see, there you go. And cue the cat coming in the door. Hi, kitty. You wanna come and say hi? Oh, you're so sweet. My baby. Oh, yes. And yes, I crochet my cat scarves. He's got his very own infinity scarf that matches one of my scarves because I had leftover yarn and I decided to make him one because I had enough. Oh, no, he doesn't like too much face-to-face contact. Oh. Don't. Oh, get me out of here. Camera shy? He's camera shy. I love you. Oh, I love you. This is what I do to my cat. But he loves me. Look at this. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I'm just showing how handsome you look in your scarf, see? Alright, I'm gonna let him go. Yeah, today's contacts, if you can see them, pretty sure you can. I love, 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 love these contacts. If you follow me on Instagram you see that I wear contacts. I change my eye color all the time because I can and it's fun. Just like changing my hair color, except that I can't do that as often because then I'd have no hair. It'd be ruined. Or it would just cost a lot for me to constantly process it and just change it. And it's too long for that kind of thing. So, yeah, I'm sticking with this blue that looks black. But when I'm out, it looks blue. It's really, really beautiful. It's a midnight dark blue. Anyway, I'm getting off topic here. Contacts. So I get questions, and this is why I'm mentioning it. I do get questions, especially on Instagram, about what contacts I'm using and their TTDI. I will post a link to their website in the description box, which is if you click where the title is, it expands and you see all the yada yada yada. Bunch of information about the video and stuff in there. And I also have a discount code. I can't talk today. A discount code, MakeupArtistMe, the name of my channel, one word, all lowercase and no exclamation points, so it's just the name. And you get 10% off, which is really great because they always have sales, and even if you buy it on the sale price, you still get the discount. You also get free shipping. The only catch is that it does take about 2 weeks to get to you, but they also send you the little case that you need for your contacts, some little clippy things, and an actual applicator that you put the contact to put it in your eye, and a case for all that. Yeah, I love TTDI. Their contacts are really comfortable, and these right here are called Real India. So it's from their Real collection. They have several ones. I also have their Real Khaki ones that are really bright, almost yellow green. But these are beautiful because they have like a caramel or yeah, like hazel color, and then a blue ring around them, which I think is so cool. I love stuff like that. Anyhow, that is it. I wanted to tell you about them because I've been using them for quite a while and I love them, and they're really, really nice, and they're great at responding to emails and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you guys.